Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a diagonally folded ice-dyed shirt. I just have my shirt laid out flat, and I'm going to use a ruler and a washable marker to draw a diagonal line across my shirt. You technically don't have to draw the line if you want. You can just pick your shirt up and fold it diagonally. After I have my line drawn, I'm going to pick my shirt up and fold it diagonally on this line. Now I'm just going to take and fan fold this line. Once I have the fan folds done, I'm going to tie it up with some kite string. After I have it tied up with some kite string, I'm going to fan fold the rest of my shirt and tie it with kite string too. I'm going to do an incline dye on this one, so what I have is I've taken a tub that has pretty large sides, put a piece of plastic guttering down inside that I've cut where it will fit inside my tub. I have one end hanging over the tub so that it's at an incline, and I've put my shirt down inside of the guttering. This shirt is kind of wide, so it barely fits down inside of this guttering, but I'm just going to kind of press it down in there and make it fit. For this shirt, I'm only going to use 3 colors. I'm beginning at the top with hot pink, and I'm going to come down a little ways and put another line of hot pink and then one more toward the bottom. I'm leaving space for my other 2 colors in between. I'm also going to use my spoon to kind of smooth this color out and press it into the shirt a little bit. The next color I'm using is cerulean blue, which I got from Custom Colors. And the third and final color is ultraviolet, which is a Dharma color. The hot pink was a Dharma color too. Then I'm going to load on some additional soda ash and put the ice on top. I'm putting a lot of extra ice up at the very, very top, not on the shirt, but right up above the very top of my shirt. That way as the ice melts, it's going to kind of run down through my shirt. I came back a couple hours later after the ice had melted. I went ahead and turned my shirt over and added another light coat of all the colors on the back side. Added more soda ash and more ice and let it continue to process. Alright, so this is how our incline die turned out. If you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.